exercise 9.3, question number 1, fourth. 0 to pi by 2 e power x 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x into dx. First, you should know these formulas. The first formula is, in trigonometry you have learned sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, isn't it? So sin x will be 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Second formula is 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. Then the third formula you should know is integral e power x f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x f of x. Okay, so these formulas we should know before doing this sum. So now let us do the sum, and also you should know integral secant square x dx is equal to tan x, and integral tan x is equal to log secant x. Log secant x. Okay, so this is now integral 0 to pi by 2 e power x. Now 1 plus, so I am going to write sin x as, what is sin x now? What is sin x? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by, what is 1 plus cos x? 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. So this is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, then e power x divide 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 plus divide this and this. So we will get 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So it is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 e power x. This will become 1 by 2 secant square x by 2. This will become sin by cos will give you tan. 1 cos you can cancel. So sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 is tan x by 2 into dx. If I take f of x as tan x by 2, if I take f of x as tan x by 2, what is f dash of x? What is the differentiation? Differentiation of tan x by 2 is secant square x by 2, and then you have to differentiate this x by 2. The coefficient of x by 2 is 1 by 2. So that 1 by 2 you have to multiply. Integral 0 to pi by 2 e power x into, we will write this as f of x. F of x is tan x. So I will write this as tan x by 2 plus half secant square x by 2 into dx. So this is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 e power x. Tan x by 2 we write as f of x plus this is f dash of x. So now you can use this formula. This we are not using because e power x is there. If a e power x is not there, if this e power x, if it was not there, then you have to integrate tan x by 2, that will become log secant x by 2 by 2, and this also you have to integrate, but you are not using this because then an e power x is there. If e power x is not there, then you have to integrate like this. Okay, so this is equal to the formula of this e power x, f of x plus f dash of x dx is e power x into f of x. So this is equal to e power x into f of x, that is e power x into tan x by 2. Now apply the limit. The limit is given 0 to pi by 2. So that is equal to e power, replace x, upper limit is pi by 2. So e power pi by 2 tan x is pi by 2. So pi by 2 and one more 2 is here. So this will become pi by 4 minus the lower limit e power 0 tan 0. So e power pi by 2 tan pi by 4. So this is e power pi by 2 tan pi by 4, you know the value is 1, minus this is 0 because tan 0 is 0. So the answer is e power pi by 2.